And finally, I would like to just highlight that drilling operations planning also requires a comprehensive environmental health and safety management system to be in place. That environmental health and safety management system is generally implemented as a company policy by whoever the drilling contractor is, and addresses a number of the key things that are highlighted on the slide. So first and foremost, the use of personal protective equipment, including operator safety requirements, which may be for simple PPE that covers the drilling operations and the respiratory equipment, but must also take into consideration any mitigation measures to design out any risks associated with the drilling operations to any operator, visitor, or any other personnel that might be in the vicinity of the drilling. This is particularly true where geothermal collectors are installed in more complex and more difficult projects, such as commercial sites, or in areas where the collector is installed below a building where there might be lots of other trades and lots of other equipment and operators working around the drilling operations. Generally, the operational health and safety methodologies need to outline as a minimum the requirement for mapping of services, and submodule 1.9 highlights a number of methods by which this is done. The first is the identification of any such services from the actual utilities that are responsible for those services, and then the implementation of any additional surveys such as GPR or others that may be required to map an area and ensuring that it's safe prior to drilling. There are the general drilling equipment and drilling rig safety requirements that need to be identified and implemented, and these may include daily equipment inspection requirements. They may include the implementation of gas monitoring throughout the course of drilling operations if in the subsurface design risk assessment it has been identified that any of the formations of the bedrock or the overburden that are being drilled carry a gas safety risk. And another good example also for consideration in the early stages of drilling planning is vibration monitoring, or monitoring of any other structures that may be required or may be at risk during the drilling operations. Thank you for listening.